To round out our Park City experience, I'm here at Ritual Chocolatry. It's the factory and cafe. You've probably had their chocolate somewhere in the United States, and it's beautiful, and they have a lot of different samples and tastings for you to experience. And I decided on their sipping chocolate. This is the Madagascar chocolate, so you can have an assortment of flavors. Then I have a shot of their espresso and 4 beautiful truffles. I have a Madagascar vanilla, I have a chai, and a couple other things that they suggested. So just here to enjoy this beautiful day, have a little chocolate, and try some new things. Let's dip into this, sip into this. That is like really, really, really extraordinary. Oh my gosh, it's got like a little bit of kind of like an orangey citrus sweetness with like a cool underbelly of cocoa. I'm gonna try another sip with the coffee. Wow, which really balances the flavor. That just like takes you on a ride. All right, let's jump into these. Have a little sample and yeah. What is happening? This is seriously insane. Anyways, come to Ritual Chocolate. Have this experience for yourself here in Park City, Utah, the hub of their chocolatry. See you later. Welcome to Park City, Utah. We're here on Main Street, and it's hard not to be captivated by all the amazing sights and experiences here, both with outdoor activities and the art and the mountains and the beautiful Main Street architecture. Just take a peek. I was able to find some phenomenal gluten-free options. We started at Harvest, where they have incredible coffee. They have their own roaster who roasts their beans. They do gluten-free bread. I got an amazing toast, gluten-free toast with chicken and pickled onions, great chicken salad with avocado. It was just gorgeous, and there's tons of other gluten-free options here in Park City, Utah. So come, take a bike, stroll around, and have a beautiful time in Park City, Utah. See you later. With all the quintessential elements of a small winter town, like a trolley and a beautiful Main Street, incredible architecture, and amazing outdoor activities and wildlife. Known for its winter sports, but also an amazing summer hangout. So we just got a little biking in. Of course, I got to dig into my gluten-free surprises. I went to Harvest, which is a wonderful Australian cafe. I got some gluten-free bread and chicken salad with pickled onions, avocado, on amazing gluten-free toast. I won't show you too much because it's not the most appetizing because it's been in my backpack. But we've been biking around, and it's a beautiful day to explore. So come to Park City, Utah, and enjoy a great summertime. See you later. It's hard not to get captivated by the beauty of Park City, Utah. Look behind me, there's the incredible mountains, greenery, and incredible architecture here by the Main Street, both artistically and the culinary craft services. And there's so many options for gluten-free people as well as amazing outdoor activities. We biked over here and we're gonna continue that, so join me in Park City, Utah. All right, catch you later.